Grapes are one of the oldest cultivated fruits in the world, believed to have originated around 6,000 years ago in the region near the Black Sea and the Middle East, especially in areas that are now part of countries like Turkey and Iran. From there, grape cultivation spread to Europe, Asia, and eventually to the rest of the world. Today, major grape-producing countries include Italy, Spain, France, the United States, China, and India. Grapes grow on woody vines of the plant species Vitis vinifera and usually grow in clusters of 15 to 300 fruits. They come in many colors such as green, white grapes, red, black, purple, and even pink. Some popular types include table grapes, used for eating fresh, wine grapes, used for making wine, and raisin grapes, used for making dried grapes. Famous varieties include Thompson seedless, Concord, Flame seedless, and Black Muscat. Grapes are not only delicious but also very nutritious because they are rich in vitamins C and K, antioxidants, and natural plant compounds like resveratrol, which is known to support heart health. Eating grapes regularly may help improve digestion, boost immunity, reduce inflammation, and protect against certain chronic diseases. Grapes also contain a high amount of water, about 80%, which helps keep the body hydrated, especially in hot weather. One interesting unknown fact is that grapes can be frozen and eaten as a healthy natural snack similar to candy. Another surprising fact is that the skin and seeds of grapes contain more antioxidants than the pulp, which is why whole grapes are considered healthier than grape juice alone. Grapes have also been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat fatigue, kidney problems, and poor blood circulation. In ancient Egypt, grapes were considered a symbol of wealth and were even placed in tombs. In addition to eating fresh grapes, they are used to make many products such as juice, jam, jelly, vinegar, raisins, and wine. It takes about 2.5 kilograms of grapes to make one bottle of wine. Grapes are also considered brain food because some studies suggest that the antioxidants in grapes may help improve memory and concentration. Farmers usually harvest grapes between August and October, depending on the climate. Grapes grow best in warm climates with mild winters, which is why Mediterranean regions are ideal for grape farming. Another little known fact is that there are more than 8,000 varieties of grapes worldwide.